This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to send PayPal to your bank account. First, ensure your bank account is correctly linked and verified within your PayPal profile, as this is a fundamental step for all transfers. This initial setup establishes a secure connection between your PayPal balance and your personal banking. We will cover the entire straightforward process to get your funds where they need to be, quickly and safely. To link your bank, log into your PayPal account and find the Wallet section. Here, select Link a Bank Account and either choose your financial institution or input your routing and account numbers manually. PayPal then initiates a small verification process by sending 2 tiny deposits, usually under $1, to your bank account. You will then confirm these amounts back in your PayPal profile within a few business days, fully securing your link. After your bank is fully linked, navigate to the Transfer Money or Withdraw Funds option located right next to your PayPal balance. You will then be prompted to enter the precise amount you wish to transfer from your PayPal balance to your bank account. Carefully select your verified bank account from the available options to ensure the funds are directed correctly. This choice determines where your money will ultimately arrive, making it a critical step for a smooth transaction. Before finalizing, meticulously review all transfer details displayed on your screen, double-checking the amount and the destination bank account. Standard transfers typically take between 1 and 3 business days to process and arrive in your bank. For a quicker option, an instant transfer might be available, though it usually incurs a small fee, often 1.75%, with funds appearing in under 30 minutes. Always confirm before proceeding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.